What's up, y'all? Welcome to another video. Today I'm breaking down the anatomy of how to style a graphic tee outfit. Now today's video format is a little different since I'm focusing on as many different outfit ideas as possible, but do not be fooled by the shortness of this video. We are cramming in a lot of different looks and outfit inspo. And for today's video, I'm going to be using band tees, but anything with a logo or slogan tee totally qualifies. And as always, we are going to be doing it all on a budget. Vintage looking tees are everywhere right now and they can be so expensive. Y'all, there is no reason to spend hundreds of dollars on a t-shirt. So I've picked out some today that don't break the bank. And I just want to start out with there's no wrong way to wear a graphic t-shirt. No matter what style you like, there's probably a way to wear it. Plus, in my opinion, a graphic tee is a year-round wear. So let's have some fun with it and get into the video. Alright, so first up, how a lot of people enjoy wearing their graphic tees, and that's with leather. Whether you have it with pants, skirts, a jacket, or even in your accessories, the faux leather look is definitely a keeper. These leather-looking crop pants are from Walmart, and they have a little flare on the end, very on trend. I'm also wearing it with a light wash skinny jean with a darker graphic tee and a leather jacket that does grunge it up a little bit, although I did keep it slightly more feminine with my quilted heel. Or you can throw it on with a faux leather skirt. Another great option if you don't want to get too carried away, you can always try a leather looking backpack like this one that I have here with silver hardware or any other accessory for just a little hint of leather. And both of these tees, by the way, the Rolling Stones and this Kiss one here, are both from Target and only $12.99. Another great way to style your graphic tee is with a sweater. The oversized grandpa style sweater is my personal favorite right now, but graphic tees could also be paired with a classic cardigan, even the very trendy crop style we've been seeing. But I already have this taupe grandpa sweater from Forever 21 heavy in my rotation, and I love the light colors with this David Bowie tee. This one is from Walmart for only $15. I love the notched out neckline on this one, and it looked really easy breezy, tied up for the cropped look with my denim shorts, my Birkenstock Dupes from Walmart. These are so fantastic. I had to go back after them in black too. For my next look, the creamy tones in the ivory sweater matched perfectly with this maroon Blondie Tee from Forever 21. This one is on sale right now for just under $16. I wore it with just a pair of skinny light wash jeans and a pair of sneakers to complete the look. The heavyweight detail on the Kiss shirt made those white crop jeans match perfectly. Those are also from Walmart, and I loved it paired with my pale yellow cardigan from Target. And just some quilted white slides. It says to me, graphic tees, but make it spring. Wide leg pants are another category that works so well with graphic tees. This look is one of my favorites. It's not quite a 70s vibe, but pretty close. So I also wore the Bowie Tee with a big flare and a light wash jean. Those are from Forever 21 and a yellow high heel mule that I found on Amazon. I also let the brightly colored Hendrix shirt do most of the talking with neutral accessories and a white wide leg jean from Walmart. But then I chose a darker but distressed bootcut jean and wore it with black boots and a handbag. You can see that you get a completely different vibe depending on what you choose. Okay, but who isn't interested in making their graphic tees look like sweatpants? I know I am. So I did take this light colored Hendrix shirt, which honestly, this is pretty special to start with. It has a wide open neckline, side slits, and a high-low hem. This is only $15 from Walmart. I thought this was a fantastic deal, and I paired it with these comfy bottoms from Forever 21 and quilted slides. Also, do not sleep on the sweatshirt graphic style either. Those are also very trendy right now, and I just absolutely loved this tie-dye one. I paired it with just some black sweatpant bottoms and some fuzzy slippers. This is definitely something that I would wear around the house right now to feel extra cozy. Getting more of a tone-on-tone spring look, I did tie up that tee cropping it, and I wore it with just some cream sweats and a pair of slides. Jackets and blazers are a perfect way to elevate your graphic tee pretty quickly. Whether it's a black hoodie with leggings, a black blazer with a little heel, or a bomber jacket, I absolutely love this look. And this blazer, y'all, was such a good find from Walmart. It's one of my favorite Walmart purchases ever. I loved it so much I went back after it this spring in white. I love the scrunch sleeve detail, and this is such a wardrobe staple, and it looks very current whenever you add it with a graphic tee. Then I changed it up completely with this slouchy satin bomber jacket in an olive color, darker jeans, and black booties. Of course, I can throw it on with a leather jacket and sneakers, or my new favorite camo jacket from Walmart and a nude heel. I did want to give a shout out to the denim on denim looks, one of my personal faves. Whether it's similar washes like this Time and True medium wash jacket with light blue accessories, or my light wash jacket for a Canadian tuxedo look, it's an awesome way to wear graphic tees now while it's still a little cooler out. And yes, you can still add little feminine touches without going complete over the top tulle skirt, although not gonna lie, I've done that in the past and I still think it's pretty cute. But these are gonna be a little bit more subtle ways to add a feminine touch, like taking a lighter colored graphic tee. This one says Fearless, but the font looks so much like Def Leppard, and it's actually a dress. It's a very short dress, so I just wore it tucked in on one side and mixed it with some other feminine colors like these light blue accessories from Forever 21, just for the right amount of feminine. My next outfit, I did this Pink Floyd pink shirt. I mean, how perfect is that? Adding pink to anything instantly gives it a touch of girly, and I loved adding this white bitsy bag and some white slides for a summer wear. And a totally different take on the full-on flowy skirt is to try a straight skirt out instead. This one is olive and I threw it on with some crochet sandals and a belt bag. And lastly, those really flattering colored pants. That particular fit has a very feminine quality to it as well. One of my favorite outfits out of the whole video. And the complete opposite of that would be an all black look. I did use the same Rolling Stones tee here with all three looks so you could easily see the difference in styles. So first up is that paper bag pant from Target. It has an easy styling with just all black accessories. This bag is one that I recently showed in an Amazon favorites video in taupe, and I loved it so much I had to go back after it in black. And then I have an all black oversized hoodie look with just some leggings, some booties. That's a very typical way of wearing the trend, pretty effortless look. And then I wore it with these black leather pants and a heel, but it would look equally as good with a sneaker, maybe even a chunky dad sneaker. Okay, a touch of animal print, one of my favorite ways to wear a graphic tee. Animal print, especially in your accessories, is a great way to make it look a little bit more current, and you don't necessarily have to go full leopard print pant or leopard print duster if that's not your look, but you can still have a little fun with it. So how I subtly wore the print was in a belt, in a sneaker with my black joggers, and then in a belt bag, just to add a touch of wild. These sneakers, by the way, also come in a snake print as well from Walmart. But the best part is that they are really comfortable as well. They have a memory foam insole. I am loving these. They are definitely giving me Golden Goose for less vibes. Adding just a little bit here and there can be said for our next category as well, and that is camo print. But y'all know me, I'm a camo girl. I go full in on this, and I'm glad I'm not alone. I've been seeing so many celebrities rocking the camo. It's everywhere. So of course I did go camo on camo with, yes, even more camo. My first look is with these jogger sweatpants from Target, and yes, they are still in stock. Probably one of the comfiest ways that you can wear this look, and I'm wearing it with a black bootie, but this would equally look good with a platform sneaker or even a slide sandal. Next, I found these awesome camo slip-ons. They're slightly faded from Time and True and just under $20, and they look very similar to the $60 Steve Madden pair. They do have a 1.5-inch platform, very comfortable, and they looked great with the camo joggers and jacket. And then of course, I had to throw in my pink camo pants, some sneakers, and that's another can't miss outfit too. So yes, I've already showed these, but they also fit into our next category, and that's adding a pop of color. A lot of us are very comfortable with our darker graphic tees, but as we are heading into warmer weather, don't be afraid of tie-dye or those non-traditional shirt colors. So whether you're adding a pop of color on your actual graphic tee like these here, or you're brightening it up with accessories, this is a great look for spring and summer. Shorts are another great way to change it up completely as we roll into summer. Biker shorts, cutoffs, even tennis skirts can be so fun, and you can layer them up, crop the top, wear it with heels, sneakers, slides, or sandals, you name it. My personal favorite though was with the denim Bermuda shorts and a neutral heel, but there's really not a way to make a mistake when it comes to graphic tees and shorts. This ACDC high voltage tee is only 13 bucks at Target, by the way, and they have so many more styles since I bought mine, so I will link some of my other favorites below. I can't miss, everyone wears this trend whether you know it or not, and that's with black leggings. I pair mine with jackets, booties, chunky sneakers, a sweater wrapped around my waist, you name it. Whether I'm just watching TV or running a few errands, this is such a great comfy go-to. And just remember, don't worry too much about being matchy-matchy when it comes to the colors. You can add prints on top of prints with your graphic tees and be just fine. This goes for all fashion. It's supposed to be fun and expressive, and this is an awesome way to let your personal style shine through. I would love to know below in the comments which look was your favorite, and if you enjoyed this format of video that was really outfit and styling focused. I can definitely make more of them if you guys did. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see y'all in the next one.